Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can set up Facebook page using Facebook. So for that purpose you have to simply open your Facebook app. Now you have to tap on the three lines. Now you have to scroll down and search for settings and privacy. Now you can see the option of Facebook pay here. Now you have to simply tap on it. Now you have to tap on the payment methods. Now here you can see add payment method. Now you have to simply tap on it. Now here you will see two options, that is credit card or debit card. Now you have to simply tap on the option whichever you want to add. Like I don't wanna add Facebook pay method to my Facebook page, so I don't do anything further than this, but you have to simply tap on credit card, and now you have to fill all the details here and tap on the save button. That's it for the guys. Thank you for watching the video.